Our focus for this week's lessons in our speculative fiction unit is time travel. As you watch, remember to take your notes in your English book. Time travel has been a popular topic for science fiction for decades and is seen in franchises such as Doctor Who, Star Trek and Back to the Future. But is the concept possible in reality? Some say yes and others say no, and that's what we'll be looking into further over the next few lessons. Firstly, let's have a look at what time travel actually is. So time travel is the concept of movement between certain points in time, analogous to movement between different points in space, typically using a hypothetical device like a time machine. Although a recognised concept, it has limited support in theoretical physics. Albert Einstein believed that time is relative and it can vary for different observers depending on your speed through space. Space is described as a three-dimensional arena, providing a traveller with coordinates like length, width and height, giving you location. Time is then described as the fourth dimension, the other coordinate of direction. Einstein pretty much puts it down to time slowing or speeding up depending on how fast you move relative to something else. For example, approaching the speed of light, a person inside a spaceship would age much slower than his twin at home. There are other theories linked to time travel also. Generally, most are based around moving forward in time. However, some ideas are linked to moving back by travelling faster than the speed of light or creating wormholes between points in space-time. Others are linked to theories like infinite cylinders, black holes and cosmic strings. As mentioned earlier, it is generally understood that time travel would require a device to take you there. The research behind this involves bending space-time so far that the lines turn back on themselves to form a loop. It is thought that they would need an exotic form of matter with negative energy density. This contains bizarre properties and could exist, but if it did, it would be in quantities too small for the construction of a time machine. So now, with this in mind, it's up to you to research a bit further to find out whether you think time travel is possible or not. So your task is to find one article claiming or proving that time travel is possible and one article that says that it isn't. You need to print these or save them to your device and then bring them to your next lesson, as we'll be doing some activities with these. Happy researching!